Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing this makeup look, which is the bronzy and gold eyeshadow with a brown eyeshadow eyeliner. So if you like the look of this, stay tuned for the rest of the video and leave a thumbs up. Okay, so first off I'm going to start with doing my eyebrows using the Anastasia Beverly Hills pomade in the shade Ebony. Okay, so next up I'm just gonna carve my eyebrows out and prime my eyelids using my collection concealer in the shade 0. Okay, so next up I'm going to be using my James Charles X MORPHE palette. Hey guys, so this is just editing Amelia. For some reason I forgot to prime my eyelids with a white eyeshadow, so if you're watching this, please do that and your eyeshadows will blend out a lot nicer, but still, it turned out really good. And first up I'm going to be taking the shade 518 on my Zoeva 228 Luxe Crease brush, which is just this brush. It's a fluffy blending brush, and so I'm just gonna blend that out into my crease first. Okay, and next up I'm going to be taking my eyeshadow brush, which is the Morphe M456, which is this brush. I know it's a little stained blue, but it's fine, it doesn't actually have any blue in it. And I'm going to be taking the shade called 10% Off. So just tapping that on that brush, tapping it off, and I'm just going to be placing it in the outer corner and to the middle of my eyelid, and then blending it into the crease with the same brush. Okay, so next up I'm going to be taking my angled brush, which is the Morphe M158, and it's just this teeny tiny little angled brush. And what I'm going to do is just take the shade No Beans, and I'm going to do a winged eyeliner. It's quite simple, it's just, you're just drawing a line from your eyeshadow, and I'm just going to connect it to the outer corner of my eyes and not do a full wing on my eyelid. Okay, so next up I'm just going to take a pad with some micellar water on it and clean up the mess that I've just made. So I'm just going to cut underneath the liner. Okay, so the reason why I don't want to connect it to the eye is because I'm actually going to be putting on this Wet n Wild jelly eyeshadow, which is just like a gold jelly eyeshadow. So I'm just going to be taking the Morphe M410, which is just this flat packer brush, and I'm going to be taking that jelly on the brush, and then I'm just going to be spreading it where we've not covered, so in the inner corner here. And so now I'm just going to blend that out whilst the jelly's drying, I'm just going to blend out the rest of the eyeshadow into it. Okay, so I'm just going to take my micellar water on my cotton pad again and just clean up any fallout that I've got on my face. And now I'm going to finish off my face and I'll come back to you with the lower lash line and the lashes. Okay, so next up I'm just going to put some mascara on my top lashes, and I'm using my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, and I'm just going to do one thin coat. So what I'm going to do next is just put some glue on my lashes. So I'm using my Duo glue, and I'm just using this teeny tiny brush, which is like an angled brush, and I just put the glue on the back of my hand, and then I just dip it in and draw it on the lash. So I'm using the Unicorn Cosmetics lashes in the style Hot Right Now. Okay, so next up I'm just going to be taking this tiny little brush, which is the M508, and I'm going to take the shade No Beans, which is the one we used for our eyeliner, and I'm just going to get it on, tap it off and put it on my lower lash line, just on the lash line, not blending it out just yet. And then I'm going to take the M506, which is this small fluffy brush, and I'm just going to take 10% off, tap it off, and then blend out what we've just put on. And I'm just going to take the brush that I've used for setting my concealer as a shadow, which we didn't do, but we'll pretend like we did. Blend it out. And now I'm just going to put my lashes on, so I'll be right back with my lashes. Okay, so last up what I'm going to do is just put my lip balm on my lips, just so they don't look dry and chapped. And this is it, guys. I hope you liked the finished look, guys. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment down below what you'd like to see next. And if you want to check out my last video, I show you exactly how I do my base and how I do my foundation and everything like that. Thank you again so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!